Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has the 7-inch touchscreen which features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's 16-inch alloy wheels, air conditioning, and you also get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 15,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.